Taking a look at the metals markets today, I want to focus on gold. Gold, another big move lower today. We saw it down about 1%. We saw gold right around the 1275.70 level. That was a settle price, a high of 1289 and a low of 1274.60. So again, we're continuing to see downward pressure in the metals markets that when you look at gold and silver alike. And some of the dynamics here in the marketplace, I think, is certainly when you look at the inflation outlook, that's continuing to be, I think, a headwind for gold. And also, as we've seen the equity markets reverse. Now, we've seen some volatility this week. We did see gold rally on Monday with the equity weakness, but then the equity markets were able to reestablish themselves for much of this week. And with that, we saw continued downside pressure on the gold complex. Also looking at the trend in place, really there's been quite a significant downtrend that goes back to the middle of February. So when we saw gold reach that high of 1350 in the middle of February, you're seeing a series of lower highs and lower lows for the last couple of months. And that initiative looks like it's going to potentially continue as we see now gold trending back down to the low end of the range. I think you look at 1266 on gold, so about $9 lower from where it currently is trading. If we see it take out that level, that would continue this downtrend, and then I could see it actually testing the 1220 to 1240 level, and again, that series of lower highs and lower lows would continue to be in place. Also, another headwind, I believe, for gold, at least in the short term, is the dollar, a stronger dollar. Now, we saw some dollar weakness again last week and early this week with the equity disruptions, but then the dollar regained its footing here, or certainly we see some weakness in the what's going on with the Brexit and what's going on in the Eurozone. So the dollar's regained its footing here, and as the dollar has strengthened, we've seen further downside selling pressure in the gold complex and the metals complex as a whole. Certainly, when you look at silver hitting a 5.5-month low this week. So again, silver under further weakness and further pressure than gold is currently under, but nonetheless, both the metal complexes down on the week with some selling pressure ending the week with a stronger dollar and the market recovery.